behalf of the SRKK Group, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to Transform 2026.
Real transformation doesn't start with technology. It starts with us. The way we think, the way we lead, and the courage we have to take bold steps forward. It's also the spirit behind our new tagline, Be AI, Be Ahead.
Conferences like this, like Transform 2026, are vital platforms for this collaboration. They are where ideas are sparked, partnerships forged, or at least you make connection with people that you never met, and the future is co-created.
The future doesn't belong to those who wait for change. It belongs to those who create it. Think of the future as a grand adventure where only limit is your imagination. And like any grand adventure, it's more fun and better when you have friends to support and inspire each other. Thank you everyone, and I hope to see you next year at Transform 2027.